Hello, guys. Listen, welcome to my world of programming. My name is Tumika. I'm excited. I don't want to talk, but this is where we are, right? According to agenda, we are done with the part 9. I want to do part 10, but part 10 it has to be something. So this one's gonna be part 11, and this will be at 12 when I get to 8. But this one of access denied page, part 10 of fixing, because there's a bug, fixing bug on access denied page, right? So please go watch part 9, then you will see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna need to stop this guy. So what I did, I copied this guy. Now I realize why this is so important. Okay, I just need to make sure that this is also here, because if you're not, if you try to access even this one, I'll explain what I'm doing right now, but we need to make sure that we are able to do this. Okay, why is it not highlighting the whole thing? Okay, this and this and this. Okay, so that one is perfect, right? But we need to do something here on this page. Access denied. So I need some couple of properties. One of them I need to steal from this guy. One of them is gonna be when we sign the user out. Remember, no register. Is it register? Sign in. No, it's register. Like I said, I'm excited. When we register, we're not signing the user in, right? Oh no, let's go and steal the code for sign out. Because I still need to cover a logout. Logout, where are you? Log out. This guy. Perfect. So I'm gonna steal this guy. Copy. Forget about that. And then here I'm gonna do paste. And this will be access denied, just like that, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I just want to do this guy. There we go. So before we even do anything, so this is gonna have to be async task of action result. So what we are saying is, if we're gonna get it to access denied, we need to make sure that we are signing whoever that's logged out. Like we need to sign the person out, right? So this is the bug that we are fixing that we identified in the previous video. So let's see that. I'm excited. I'm fixing a bug while showing you, the beauty of programming and the perks of programming, right? So come on. Okay, let's give it a couple of seconds, because that's a genuine bug. Like that's a problematic bug. It's a serious bug, because you can get to log in just like this, right? It's easy to get to log in, and then when you log in, you're going to be redirected to your relevant page, right? For example, if now I use this account, right? Check where I'm going to be redirected, because when we are trying to fix a bug, we need to make sure that we're not breaking the process that's already in place, right? We're not now creating more bugs unnecessary. So, because like I said, you go to the website, you hit straight login, and then you should be redirected to the dashboard. Well, it's gonna create a little bit of a challenge, but it's fine. Let's get out, and then let's go, let's say about, right? And then from about, I'm gonna say, listen, I want us to go to guest, because this is a protected resource, but it wants us to be authenticated, right? I do not have access to this guest, right? Because it's gonna redirect it to it. So what I'm saying is, we want to show access denied but sign the user out. Officially did not do that. Why? Why did it not sign me out? It didn't sign me out. I want to know why. On get, the moment this method loads, we're going to sign whoever that's logged out. But we don't seem to do that. Or does it need a post? Because we can do this even on get. Because with the logout, it's on post. We have to click a button. Come on, man. We've used the constructor. We've used all of that. But this one doesn't want to do that. I'm not happy. Remember login has this thing of where we do the clean whole thing, HTTP context, but this is for external schemes. So why did it not work here? That's the thing I'm trying to understand. Because on get, return the page, but the first thing we want to do is to sign the user out and therefore return the page. But why did it still allow? Because if I go to a dashboard, oh, I'm logged out. Oh, I'm signed out. But it's not something that, you know, the thing is, I don't want you to see that you are signed in. So we did sign the user out. Because remember, this access denied is triggered when it has, I believe it has to do with the roles, right? So it gets to be triggered whenever you're trying to access a resource you do not have the roles to or the permission to. So this worked. So if you try to navigate to another page, let's try that again. Let me go to home, because I want to see something again here. Because this might be a temporary fix, but it is still a fix either way. Okay, you see, it kind of like tells me that but let's say I go to about, what's going to happen to this? This should disappear and this should be registered and the login, right? So let's see. Yes, it did sign me out, but that's not the way I wanted. I think that to properly fix this bug, I'm going to study about access denied, because whenever you are redirected to access denied, I want it to clear everything. Do you understand? Like, there should not be anything there. All right, either way, I enjoyed this because then you think out of the box, you know, you expand your knowledge, you think out of the box. Like this is what I'm doing, attempting to fix this bug live. So if you want to learn how to program, if you want me to teach you all of this in C# using .NET ecosystem, MVC, Web API, .NET MAUI, we talk about database, I can teach you for 25 Rand a session. It's a full hour long where we meet on Microsoft Teams any day from Monday to Friday for a whole hour. You can ask me questions. We'll do this until. Sounds good? I'm gonna leave my numbers. Thank you.